What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-104291-7, and error occurred because the license information of the content cannot be confirmed. So you have a problem with the license, a content license. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and I'm just going to tell you how to fix this kind of error. And let's go to the screen. Here we are at the screen. Just go to the settings here and user and accounts. Go to the user and accounts, then simply go to the others. Here you have the console sharing and offline play and a restore license. If you become unable to content the downloaded from PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with your license for the content. Try to restoring the license. So simply you just restore the license. After that it will be work. Sometime it's happened, but sometime you're having a problem with the other. You just download it from the another PSN account, but you try to in another. So it's kind of simply that's how you can restore the license for the content, and it will be fixed. I hope so it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can do it. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.